Hey everyone, it's Sean from 𝐸𝐠𝐡𝐥𝐢, and in this video, I wanted to address a very common pain point that e-commerce entrepreneurs face, which is razor-thin profit margins. And I think that is something that many of you would be able to relate to if you've done e-commerce before. You would know that advertising has been getting increasingly expensive. If you've done Facebook ads before, you would know that you need healthy, juicy profit margins just for you to be able to have a good shot at success. It's just for you to be able to have a good shot at success when doing Facebook ads. Now, if you're an e-commerce entrepreneur or if you're looking to start getting into e-commerce and making money online, then this video is for you because I will show you how to find low-cost, high-profit products so you can give yourself a good shot at success when entering the e-commerce arena. Okay, everyone, as promised, I'm going to show you how to find the golden eggs of the golden goose. And what are they? Low-cost, high-profit products. Now, I have two types of strategies. They're the basic and the advanced strategy. Basic strategies are really for novices, the beginners. The advanced strategies are for those who have already gotten their hands dirty or want to get their hands dirty and find maximum profitability. Well, everybody wants maximum profitability, but anyway, just a pro tip. I recommend that you choose a product that is within your realm of understanding and passion because you need to play the long game. Remember, to succeed, longevity is key. Okay, for the basic strategy, there are only two ways you can go about it. It's either you go to a supplier's website that you find on Google, or you go to a supplier directory, which is way more efficient. Again, since this is for the beginners, I know and I understand that it may not be obvious at first, but going to a supplier's website isn't efficient because when you do that, you're limited to suppliers who have a website. Because there are suppliers out there, very great suppliers, as a matter of fact, that don't even have a website or they're buried in the search engine results page. So you're going to have a real problem and you're going to be wasting a lot of time just trying to find a supplier website and making a list of them and comparing their prices on different tabs in Chrome. Not efficient. So now what I recommend is you use a supplier directory like 𝐸𝐠𝐿𝐻 because it just makes life so much easier. You can compare the prices of suppliers on the same website and it's just way more efficient. However, there are supplier directories out there that give unreliable suppliers. So if you still decide to go with these supplier directories, you'll need to check the reviews of the supplier and you're going to have to check whether the reviews are legit because reviews can be fake, right? And you're also going to have to check whether the price makes sense for you. Now with 𝐸𝐠𝐿𝐻, it's so much better because you save a lot of time and you can focus on your business rather than in your business. Because 𝐸𝐿𝐻 already vets the suppliers for you. You don't have to worry about that. Also, 𝐸𝐿𝐻 has really great customer support, and for those reasons, I recommend 𝐸𝐿𝐻. For the advanced strategies, I'm going to show you click by click what to do, and I'm going to show you which sites you can go to find these low-cost, high-profit products. Now, the sites that we're going to be using are Facebook, marketplaces such as Amazon, and finally, Google Trends. Now let's hop into my computer. Okay, now that we're in my computer, I can show you advanced strategy number 1, which is using Facebook. All you gotta do is type free shipping on the search bar of Facebook, which I've already done, and go straight to videos. Now that you're in videos, you're going to be able to see all the hot products that are selling right now. And you can use that for inspiration as to what product you should sell in your online store. If you still can't find a product that you like, all you have to do is click through to any of the videos. Let's choose this one. Go to their website. Let's go to their website. Add the product to your cart, check out, and then abandon your cart. And you do this maybe 4 or 5 times, and you'll start to see on your feed a lot of suggested products from Facebook that will also give you more inspiration as to what products you can start selling online. I'm not going to show you my feed because that's personal, but that's something that you can do. And once you find a product that you like, just go to 𝐸𝐿𝐻 and look for the supplier for that product. For advanced strategy number 2, I recommend you use a marketplace like Amazon and go to their best sellers. The tab I recommend is movers and shakers, and the reason why I recommend that is because that is where their biggest gainers in sales rank over the past 24 hours is. And ideally, when you look for inspiration over there, you should go to a department that suits your passion and understanding because you want to have some depth in terms of knowledge of your target customer. So you can choose any department right over here in the left side column, and once you find a product that you like, just go back to 𝐸𝐿𝐻 and look for a supplier for that product. For advanced strategy number 3, it's about recognizing whether the product that you found is just a fad/trend or an evergreen product. For example, let me give you an example. Let's say you want to sell a fidget spinner. Now you're going to be able to see whether it's just a trend or not. Let's go worldwide. Past 5 years, and as you can see, it was only popular in 2017. And that's how you know it was only a trend. However, let's say your product is an evergreen product that, you know, people will obviously need for a long time. Let's say like fishing gear. And as you already know, fishing gear is a product that, you know, it's here to stay, but it still has its highs and lows. As you can see, in the United States, it's really popular around the end of the year and mid-year. And again, end of the year, mid-year. Based on this information, you will be able to decide whether your product is high profit due to high demand at the time you're planning to sell. Now we're almost at the end of this video. I just want to give you guys a quick recap. You've learned 2 basic strategies and 3 advanced strategies to find low-cost, high-profit products. For the 2 basic strategies, the first one is to use Google to find a supplier's website, which I don't really recommend. The one I recommend is strategy number 2, which is to use a supplier directory that is reliable, such as SaleWho. For the 3 advanced strategies, you've learned how to use Facebook, Amazon, and Google Trends to find profitable products. I'm also going to include a link in the description for you to sign up to SaleWho, and if you don't like SaleWho for whatever reason at all, don't worry, we have a 100% satisfaction guarantee, which means that if you don't like SaleWho and you're unhappy about it, we can give you a full refund. If you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe because it really helps the channel grow and encourages us to keep providing free, highly valuable content to all of you. Anyway, that's the end of this video. See you guys in the next one. Happy selling!